in 2009. I was looking for a place where my family feels at home. All the facilities, all the amenities, what we are used to. So when I came back to Hyderabad, I went around all the complexes and find that Aparna Tower was near to completion at that time. So came here, saw the facility, and with the management of Aparna Towers, they are so friendly. They took me around the complex, and I found that okay, this is a place where I would like to be. The amenities and the facilities you have, you don't have to care for power. It's a full power backup, water, gas. The biggest problem when you come back to India is that run for the gas connection. But then for electricity connection, all these things were taken care of, so we don't have to worry anything about it. And we just came, we occupied the flat, and the best thing is that all transaction was seamless. We never had any complaints with the staff, on the management of Aparna Construction. Because of that, many of my friends who came here, we have referred them to many societies, and I can say my friends are there in Aparna Towers, Aparna Sarovar, Aparna Grande, Aparna Hill Park. They're everywhere. So now I think Aparna is our home that way. I thank the management, staff, and especially our maintenance people here who are doing excellent job and making this place best place to live in.